Did you know your lungs work tirelessly to provide oxygen and sustain life every day? But what have you done to protect them? Let's explore how the lungs function, from each breath to their self-cleaning mechanisms. Plus, discover 7 simple ways to care for your lungs daily, from diet and exercise to improving the air around you. These are all easy to implement at home. Watch the video now to learn more and start taking care of your lungs today. How the lungs work in 7 natural basic ways to protect them daily. Did you know your lungs are not just organs, but an intricate life support system that works tirelessly every second of your life? They don't just help you breathe, they power every cell in your body with oxygen. In the next few minutes, we'll take you on an incredible 3D journey through your lungs, revealing their secrets and how they keep you alive. Let's start with how air enters your body. Your trachea acts like a superhighway for air, branching into bronchi, smaller airways, and finally reaching the tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli, surrounded by a network of blood vessels, are the true heroes of gas exchange. But here's the twist. Your lungs are constantly under threat from pollutants, poor habits, and diseases that can disrupt this delicate process. Show pollutants in the air and damaged alveoli due to smoking or disease. So what makes your lungs a marvel of engineering? At the alveoli, oxygen diffuses into your bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, the waste gas your body produces, is exhaled. This process fuels your cells with life-giving oxygen while removing toxins. Your lungs team up with your heart to pump oxygen-rich blood to every corner of your body. But here's the challenge. To keep this system running smoothly, you must take care of your lungs. Animation showing oxygen flowing into blood and carbon dioxide exiting. Step 1. Avoid smoking in polluted environments. Step 2. Exercise regularly to strengthen your lungs. And Step 3. Eat antioxidant-rich foods to support lung health. These small steps can make a big difference in keeping your lungs healthy and functioning like new. Your lungs are your life's engine, keeping you going every moment of the day. Treat them well, and they'll reward you with vitality and health. 7 powerful home remedies for chest infections. Natural healing tip.
All diseases come from the mouth. Food is medicine. The dose creates the poison.
Have you been feeling short of breath? Struggling with a persistent cough or a nagging sense of fatigue? If so, you might be dealing with a chest infection. Don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got you covered. Today, we'll uncover 7 natural remedies that can help you heal at home and breathe easy once again. Stick around to discover how to take control of your health naturally. About chest infections. Chest infections are common, often following colds or the flu. Symptoms can range from mild discomfort to severe breathing difficulties. The good news? Natural remedies can help alleviate these symptoms, speed recovery, and restore your energy. Remedy 1. Lemon and honey. Solution. Why it works. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, strengthening the immune system, while honey provides antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of natural honey in a glass of warm water. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach for maximum impact. And results: soothes a sore throat, reduces coughing, and boosts immunity. Remedy 2. Stay hydrated. Why it works. Staying hydrated helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel and relieving chest congestion. How to use. Aim to drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Keep a bottle nearby, especially during dry seasons, to maintain optimal hydration levels. Results: prevents mucus buildup and keeps your airways clear. Remedy 3. Steam inhalation and humidity. Why it works. Steam helps loosen mucus and soothes irritated airways. How to use. Use a humidifier to add moisture to your room or take a hot shower. For a quick fix, inhale steam over a bowl of hot water with a towel over your head. Results: provides instant relief from nasal and chest congestion. Remedy 4. Ginger remedies. Why it works. Ginger contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce stress on the respiratory system and relax airways. How to use. Add fresh ginger slices to hot tea or blend into fresh juice. Consume regularly to support respiratory health. Results: relieves congestion, eases coughing, and enhances overall lung function. Remedy 5. Essential oils. Why it works. Oils like eucalyptus and rosemary can reduce nasal congestion and coughing when inhaled or applied topically. How to use. Add essential oils to a diffuser, or make a DIY vapor rub by mixing coconut oil with a few drops of essential oil. Apply the rub to your chest and back for added relief. Results? Clears airways, reduces coughing, and promotes relaxation. Remedy 6. Postural drainage. Why it works. Using gravity helps drain mucus from the lungs, making it easier to expel. How to use. Lie on your back with your hips elevated above your chest, using pillows. Stay in this position for a few minutes to allow mucus to drain upwards. Results. Clears mucus buildup, reducing shortness of breath and discomfort. Remedy 7. Over-the-counter medications. Why it works. In severe cases, medications like vapor rubs, ibuprofen, or decongestants can provide quick relief. How to use. Consult a physician to ensure safe usage and proper dosage. Follow the instructions on the label for best results. Results? Reduces pain, relieves congestion, and manages fever. That's all. So do you feel? Your action depend on your mind. Let's do it. 1. Preventative measures. Avoid smoking. Smoking irritates the lungs and worsens symptoms. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly and avoid touching your face to prevent infections. Social distancing. If you're sick, keep your distance to protect others. We hope these natural remedies bring you relief and help you breathe easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and remedies, and don't forget to check out other websites for detailed guides and resources. Links are in the description below. As always, consult your doctor for medical advice tailored to your condition. Take care and breathe easy, friends. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Diabetes is a complex condition that requires personalized care and guidance from a qualified healthcare professional. Always consult your doctor or a certified medical expert before making any changes to your medication, diet, or lifestyle based on the content shared here. The signs and symptoms discussed are general and may vary from person to person. Proper diagnosis and treatment should always be determined by a medical professional familiar with your individual health history and needs. Reference source. 1. Global Strategy for the Prevention and Control of Chronic Respiratory Diseases. This document provides strategies to protect the lungs, emphasizing preventive measures for chronic respiratory diseases like COPD and lung cancer. 2008 WHO. 2. Air Quality Guidelines. Global Update. This guideline establishes safe air quality standards to reduce air pollution and protect respiratory health. 2006 WHO. 3. World Report on Respiratory Health. A report analyzing major respiratory diseases, their global health impact, and effective intervention measures. 2023 WHO. 4. Growing Healthy. Healthy Lung for Life. This document highlights protecting lungs through nutrition, lifestyle, and clean environments to improve respiratory function. 2015 Gold Initiative. 5. Natural Remedies for Respiratory Infections. A scientific resource on natural methods such as steam inhalation, essential oils, and immune-boosting foods to support chest infection treatment. 2018 National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI. 6. The Global Impact of Respiratory Diseases. Analyzes key respiratory disease factors and proposes preventive measures to reduce the disease burden. 2017 Forum of International Respiratory Societies. 7. Asthma Prevention and Management Strategies. Guidelines on asthma prevention and treatment strategies, including lifestyle and environmental changes. 2021 WHO. 8. The benefits of regular physical activity on lung function. Scientific research proving that regular exercise improves lung capacity and respiratory efficiency. 2019 American Lung Association. 9. Healthy Diet for a Healthy Lung. A document providing information on antioxidants and foods that enhance lung health, such as lemon, honey, and ginger. 2020 British Lung Foundation. 10. Impact of pollution and climate change on respiratory health. A detailed report on the effects of air pollution and climate change on respiratory diseases. 2019 WHO.